Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by aligning Godot and Mono. This is the only way to use C# reliably. Install the matching Godot Mono build and a supported Net SDK, then create a new Mono project. Once done, open the generated C sproj in an editor so you can inspect references. Make sure Godot recognizes the assemblies. If it does not, recheck SDK paths. This step initializes the C# toolchain and links Godot to the runtime you will use throughout development. You now attach C# scripts to Godot nodes and wire scene signals. Start by adding a script from the Attach Script dialog. Godot generates a class derived from node types. Once attached, implement ready-to-cache node references and process for per-frame logic. Use export fields so designers can tweak values in the inspector. When you split concerns, UI versus game systems, your code remains maintainable, and Godot's scene tree integrates smoothly with your C# classes. You finish by building and running inside Godot, then iterate until stable. Click play, read the output and Mono logs for compilation messages or runtime exceptions. If assemblies seem out of sync, run .NET build or restart the editor to force reload. When things fail, inspect node paths, exported variables, and signal hookups. Most C# issues stem from missing references rather than language bugs. Keep a systematic debug loop. Reproduce, inspect logs, fix, and rerun until everything behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.